I've slipped, I've slid, and I've stumbled, made my way.
My name is Reth. I'm from Anchorage, and my parents are from South Sudan. I was introduced to this program, I believe, through SCA.
Through the cold.
Camping in Prince William Sound was nothing but a fun experience for me. I'm not going to lie, I was nervous at first, not just being outdoors for the first time, but also meeting new people and getting adjusted and breaking out of my shell. But that wasn't too hard because of the nice, outgoing, experienced camp leaders and also the other students.
I've slept, I've dreamed, and I've awoken from the cave where I painted my thoughts upon.
I was able to see nothing but God's beautiful creation, nice ocean water, mountains everywhere filled with winter snow, blue sky, wilderness with nice green grass, and big spruce trees.
The heat of the moment.
What was new for me was being able to see and listen to glacier calving. Learning that in school, I always imagined what it was like. Seeing it, now I know what it is like. It made me feel good inside, being able to learn something in school and then being able to see it.
Every noise I hear was just a voice.
It's almost mind-blowing how much is out here in Prince William Sound. Being able to see the seas, sea otters, seals, eagles, glacier calving, barnacles, and being able to kayak while doing so.
Lord, take me to France, watch me dance, let me drink that wine.
I've never been somewhere so beautiful, peaceful, quiet, and natural.
I've been down through your hometown, hey, all across this distant land, hey. One thing's for sure, honey, we're love on a roll.
And also, I cannot forget them, meeting the camp rangers, Barbara and Garrison. They taught me something I will never forget, and that is naturalizing. We all want to have a fun camp experience after using an area, clean up after it. If we can apply things such as this to life, we can make our mom's life easier.
Down through your hometowns, hey, all across your distant lands, hey. One thing's for sure, honey, we're love on a roll. Tell my mother I miss her so, on and on. Tell my mother I miss her so.
Prince William Sound was fun and brought a whole new perspective in life to me. I would love for future generations, especially ones who don't often get to see places as this, to see the sound.
Lord, take me to see the voodoo queen, let her put a spell on me. Little bit of change, ease my pain, gonna set a young man free. Hell, I've been down through your town, hey, all across this.
I'd like to say thank you to my camp leaders, Christine, Molly, Steve, aka Mr. G, Barbara, and Garrison, the Forest Rangers. I'd like to say thank you to Betsy, Chugach National Forest, Chugach School District, Chugach Children's Forest, Regional Citizens Advisory Council, Prince William Sound Resource Advisory Committee, REI, Alaska Geographic, and Jeff Chan with FCA for making this trip possible. Thank you all. God bless.